Opened Word or Excel, and this annoying red banner shows up? Product activation failed can look scary, but you don't need to panic. This video walks you through real, proven solutions step by step. Why it happens. This error means Microsoft Office can't verify your license. The usual suspects? Your subscription expired, you're signed into the wrong account, your computer's date or time is incorrect, or your firewall or antivirus is blocking Microsoft's servers. All the working fixes. Check your Microsoft account. Go to account.microsoft.com and check your Office license. If it's expired, you'll need to renew it. Sometimes that's all it takes. Use the correct sign-in account. Make sure you're signed into Office with the same Microsoft account you used to activate it in the first place. If it's different, activation will fail. Repair Office installation. Next, try a quick repair. Go to Control Panel, Programs, Office, Change, Quick Repair. If that fails, use the online repair option. Clear old product keys. Multiple license keys on one system? Open Command Prompt and run the script. CScripty ospp.vbs/dstatus to view licenses, and ospp.vbs/unpkey to remove them. Run as administrator. Right-click the Office app, Word, Excel, Outlook, and click Run as Administrator. This simple step solves permission-based activation issues. Fix date and time settings. Open your system clock settings. Make sure the date, time, and time zone are correct. Even a tiny mismatch can block license validation. Disable antivirus or VPN temporarily. Antivirus or VPN software can block Office's access to Microsoft's servers. Try turning them off temporarily and reattempt activation. Activate via Command Prompt. Still not working? Run Command Prompt as admin and type cscript ospp.vbs/act. This triggers manual activation. Use the rearm tool. Navigate to Office's install folder and run ospp.rearm.exe. This resets activation status and gives you a clean slate. Reinstall with Microsoft Tool. And if all else fails, use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. It will uninstall Office completely and guide you through a clean reinstallation. So that's everything. Real fixes that work. Don't waste time on random hacks. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tech tips that actually work.